traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, July 26th. I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, I definitely am still looking at this as a 1, 2, 3. It looks like the wave 3 is over, and if it is over, then we're probably at least 6 to 8 months into a wave 4 before we actually get another push up for a wave 5. So just be aware of that. If this wave 3 is over, it's going to be probably at least 8 months before the wave 4 is complete. So taking that down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we definitely do have a breaker structure to the downside. I think it pretty much confirms that wave 3 is over. And if that's the case, then this is probably likely going to end up looking something like that for a wave A. Probably likely going to stretch out into a big crescent to that wave A for a wave B, then probably go down at least to the 38 or the 50% Fibonacci retracement for a wave C. Like I said, I would expect this to last at least 8 months, probably at least until spring 2025. So taking that down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, definitely a downtrend, and I think it's likely a 1, 2, 3. I kind of feel like this is likely a wave 4 right now, and we're likely to go down again for a wave 5. But if this is actually a big wave A, then it might not even be even close to being over. It could just be a subdivision of a much, much bigger downtrend for like a big wave A of wave 4. So I am definitely still looking for sorts in a downtrend on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely do have a break to the upside, which tells me that this trend right here is over, which means that this move getting up is very likely to be a crescent to this move down. I'm looking for 3 waves up. I'm looking for a Fibonacci bounce, a big engulfing move to the downside to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. Maybe this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, or maybe it's a subdivision of a much bigger downtrend on the higher time frames. Either way, I'm definitely still going to continue to look for shorts. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I think this very likely looks like a wave A. I think this is very likely a wave B. I'm not really convinced that wave C is over. I think it's more likely going to go up to the 50 to 61.8 for a wave C. Then if we get a nice big engulfing move to the downside, breaker structure, then that is going to be the short entry I'm waiting for the continuation of the downtrend. Maybe it's a wave 4, maybe it's a subdivision of a much bigger downtrend. Either way, I don't really care, and I don't think it's important to know, because either way, I'm just going to continue to look for shorts until my higher roadmap timeframes tell me otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.